Hi everyone, this is Imran from Themes Code. Today in this video training, I'm going to show you how to create a professional business website with WordPress CMS and ZoloBlocks plugin. Well friends, let's see the website we are going to design today. Well friends, here is the website we are going to build today. It has a nice and clean header and a professionally designed hero section. You can use the technique to design this hero section to create any kind of WordPress website. I'm going to scroll down and here you can see clean about us section. And here you can see we have designed the services boxes. You can display your services here using this design technique. Okay, then here goes why choose us section and expert teams section, and here goes the pricing plans. And again, our testimonial, latest news. Well friends, this design is fully responsive and it looks great on mobile phone. Let's see it. Here you can see all the sections are well designed for the mobile devices. Well friends, to create this website I used free resources like free theme, free plugins. You don't need to spend a lot of money buying pro themes and pro plugins. After watching this video training, you will learn all the techniques to make any kind of WordPress website. So, let's get started. Buy a domain name and a hosting package. Well friends, to create and launch a website online, we need a domain name and a hosting package. What is a domain name? The domain name is the unique name of your website, which people type on the browser address bar to visit your website. For example, Google has a domain name. It's google.com. YouTube's domain name is youtube.com. What is web hosting? Web hosting is renting spaces on the internet for your website. Web hosting servers store your site's data such as text, images, and video on their servers and make it accessible online. Web hosting providers also take care of your website's performance and security enhancements. That's why choosing the right hosting provider is vital for your website's future growth. But you don't have to worry about that. Simply open up your browser and type in themescode.com/hosting. Hit enter. I have also provided this link in the video description below. I have included our exclusive link with a discount in the description. Click that link and it will take you to this bluehost.com landing page for managed WordPress hosting. Now, this is the hosting we are going to use. Bluehost provides cost-effective hosting with an easy-to-use interface, which is ideal for the beginners starting with WordPress. The great thing is that Bluehost has a long-standing relationship with the WordPress community. Bluehost has been recommended directly by WordPress.org since 2005 because of its reliability and expertise in WordPress. So, it's a solid choice for hosting a WordPress website. Okay friends, scroll down and see the plan. Bluehost offers a variety of hosting plans for all budgets and sizes. Let's take a look at Bluehost hosting plans and their features. The basic plan might be the way to go if you are starting. It's designed for the beginners and includes hosting for 10 websites. And it offers 10 GB of SSD storage. And it's ideal for 40,000 visitors per month. All the Bluehost plans comes with a free domain for the past year. And you will get free SSL certificate. Here you can see free SSL certificate. And to block malware and improve security, it offers DDoS protection, free malware scanning, and web application firewall. To make your website load blazing fast, it offers static content caching and also object caching. This plan is dirt cheap, just $1.99 per month. It's ideal for anyone who wants to start creating a professional website. If you are thinking about the future and believe that you want to expand your website, then you can upgrade to any other plans. Okay, for this type of website, the basic plan is a sensible choice. It provides everything we need to start. Okay, so finally click this choose plan button. Now we are here on the domain selection page. To get a free domain for the first year, enter the desired domain name here. I'm going to type here tcbizglobal and by default .com is selected. Okay, hit search for domain. Congratulations, the domain name is available and added to the cart. Here you can see .com domain is added and it's free. Okay, I don't need the domain privacy and protection. I'm going to remove this guy. And now the total price is $23.88. Okay, hit this continue to checkout button and here you need to enter your details to create an account and then enter your credit card or you can pay with other card. You can also pay with PayPal. Okay, I believe now you'll be able to purchase a domain name and a hosting package from Bluehost. Hi everyone, install WordPress CMS. I believe you could purchase a domain name and a hosting package from Bluehost. Now let's install WordPress CMS in Bluehost hosting environment. Well friends, here on the top right corner you can see login link. Just click here to log in and enter your username, hit next, enter your password and hit login. I'm going to enter the verification code, hit authenticate. Okay, here is the welcome screen of Bluehost hosting panel and I'm going to close it and here is the dashboard. Well friends, now click on hosting and here you will see the available domain names. I have got 2 domains out of 10 and I'm going to install WordPress CMS under this domain. Let's open the website. Okay, click settings and under quick links here you can see CMS installer. Just click on it and here we are. Here you can see WordPress. We are going to install WordPress CMS. So under WordPress, here you can see install. Just click install. Here we are. And first field is the protocol. Leave it default HTTPs. And from here, select your domain name. It's idevs.com and leave this directory blank. And from here, you can choose the WordPress version. Just leave it default. Okay, here you can change your site name, site description, and you can set your admin username. I'm going to leave it default. I'm going to hide the password and I'm going to set my password. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to enter my domain name. I'm going to enter my email address. Okay, everything is fine. And from here you can select plugins. Okay, and everything is fine. Here you can see install button. Just click install. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. I mean, we could successfully install WordPress CMS on our server. So let's see our website. Here is the link to check the website. Open it in a new tab. And here is our website. Okay, and here goes our administrative URL. I mean, we can access the dashboard of our website using this link. Okay, let's click it and open in a new tab. And it will help us to access the dashboard. And here you can see, I'm going to click exit and it brings us to the WordPress dashboard. That's great. Let's clean up WordPress dashboard. Well friends, we have installed a fresh WordPress, but it comes with a lots of plugins and themes that we don't need. So we need to clean our WordPress. So let's start cleaning the plugins first. Here you can see plugins. I'm going to click on install plugins. Okay, here you can see a checkbox. Click on it. And first of all, I'm going to deactivate all the plugins. I'm going to hit apply. Okay, here you can see I could deactivate almost every plugins. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to manually deactivate this. And okay, I could deactivate all of this. And again, check this box. And I'm going to click delete and hit apply. Click OK. I'm going to manually delete it. Okay, I'm going to reload this. And now I'm going to delete this guy. I'm going to delete this guy. I'm going to reload this page and hit delete. Okay. So I could delete all the plugins. So now you can see our WordPress site is so clean. It's clean. Let's delete the unnecessary themes. Here you can see appearance and go to themes. Here you can see our currently activated theme. I'm going to click over here and hit delete. Click over here, hit delete. Click over here, hit delete. Okay. Let's go to post. Click on all post and here is the default post. Hit trash. Click on trash and here you can see delete permanently. And go to pages. Click on all pages. Check all of these and select move to trash. Hit apply. Go to trash. Check all of these. And select delete permanently, hit apply. Go to comments, no comments. Go to user, only one user. I can delete this. So go to settings and click on permalinks. And I'm going to select post name and hit save changes. Fantastic. So friends, now we could successfully clean our WordPress dashboard. Now if I visit the website, here you can see our website. Hi everyone, install our WordPress theme. To design a WordPress website, we need a WordPress theme. A theme in WordPress is basically the design and layout of your website. It controls how your website looks to the visitors. Let's install a WordPress theme. Here I'm on the dashboard of my WordPress website, and on the left here you can see appearance, and under appearance you can see themes. Just click themes and click add new, and I'm going to search for Cadence. Here is the theme. I'm going to hit install and click activate. Okay, we could successfully install our WordPress theme. Now, if we visit the website and the look has been changed, install ZoloBlocks plugin. Well friends, along with the WordPress theme, we also need a WordPress page builder plugin to design the website visually. WordPress comes with its default Gutenberg editor. Gutenberg is very powerful and lightweight. And the great thing is, we will install ZoloBlocks plugin to extend the functionality of the core Gutenberg plugin. ZoloBlocks is a great WordPress Gutenberg block editor plugin. ZoloBlocks is a WordPress Gutenberg block editor plugin which gives you more design freedom with 65 plus free blocks, pre-made pages, patterns, and lot of other things. Let's install ZoloBlocks Gutenberg editor plugin. Well friends, again I'm on the dashboard of my WordPress website, and here you can see plugins and click add new plugin. I'm going to search here ZoloBlocks, and here you can see ZoloBlocks WordPress Gutenberg plugin by BD Themes. Well friends, to install it, hit this install now button. Click activate. Okay, now we could successfully install and activated ZoloBlocks plugin. Here on the left, you can see ZoloBlocks menu and go to dashboard. Click dashboard. Well, here is the dashboard welcome page. Let's go to blocks. Here goes all the available blocks. Here you can see container. Gutenberg doesn't come up with container, but you can create container for free with ZoloBlocks plugin and lots of other free blocks that will be very amazing. You will get freedom to design according to your need. Okay, let's see the extensions. Here you will see free and pro extensions and go to settings. Okay, that's it. So we could successfully install ZoloBlocks plugin. Now it's our time to start designing. Before we start designing our website like this, we need to create pages. Say for example, it is a home page, and we also have about us, services and contact page. Let's see how we can create these pages. Here I'm on the dashboard of my website. On the left here you can see pages. Click on all pages. At the moment we don't have pages. First of all, I'm going to create the home page. Just click on this add new page and type home and hit publish, and here you can see add new page. Click on here and enter the title here about and hit publish, and click on this add new page, and that will be services, and hit publish, add new page and name it contact. Hit publish. Okay, now we have all the pages. So click here view pages. Here is the page. Okay, let's get back to the dashboard and click on pages. Click all pages. And here you can see we have home, services, about and contact. Okay, let's visit the home page. Click view, open in a new tab. And now we see our page like this. But we are going to create like this. Okay, so by now we could create all the pages, and soon I will start designing the page. Hi everyone, let's start designing the home page with Gutenberg and ZoloBlocks. Okay, let's open the home page. Here I'm on the dashboard of my WordPress website. You can see pages. Click on all pages, and here you can see home page. To start designing the home page, we need to click edit. Just hit click and open in a new tab. And here we are. Here goes the Gutenberg page design interface. And let's see, here you can see the plus sign. If I click here, you will see ZoloBlocks blocks. Okay, here let's see the demo. You can see a heading. It's basically a block. Here you can see button, text, everything is a block. Okay, let's see. Here you can see advanced heading, and this is the block. I used this block to design this heading. Okay, I used a button block. Here you can see button, advanced button to design like this. I will show you everything from the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to click over here to minimize it. Here you can see template library. If I click over here, and you will see tons of free design. Just click free and you will see all the free designs. You can see this because of ZoloBlocks plugin. Here you can see ZoloBlocks. If I uninstall the ZoloBlocks plugin, then you won't see this. That's why we installed ZoloBlocks plugin. Okay, let's get back. I'm going to click on the right, and here you can see several buttons, and on the right here you can see the options. These are self-explanatory. You can just explore all of this. And finally, before we start designing, here you can see page settings. Click over here, and here you can see page settings. We need to configure our page. Okay, here you can see transparent header. On our demo design, we don't have transparent header, so what we are going to do, we are going to disable it. And page title, we don't add any page title. So disable page title. And then page layout. Here you can see it's a full width page layout. So I'm going to select full width. And content style, we have no box layout. Everything is plain. So what we are going to do, we are going to select unboxed. And show featured image, you can disable it because we are not going to show any featured image. Just hit save. That's all for the page settings. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use our main engine, ZoloBlocks. We are going to design our beautiful website using ZoloBlocks plugin. Okay, that's great. So I don't want to wait more. Just start designing. Let's get back here. Once again, I'm going to click on the plus sign, and here you can see ZoloBlocks blocks. Well, friends, before we add this content, we need to wrap this content with a container. So first of all, here you can see the first block is the container. So click on it, and here you can see choose container layout. I'm going to select this guy, and here it is, container. And on the right under block, you will see the settings. The first tab is basic, and here you can see container width is full. Here you can see full width, and content width is boxed. Content width will be boxed. Here you can see our demo. We have a boxed content. Okay. So, and content width is 1200. You can manage according to your design. If you are converting from Figma, you can manage your content width from here. Okay, flex properties, leave it default. If we need to customize, then we'll get back again. And go to a style. Here you can see content gap, container gap. Okay, so I'm going to set it 70. Okay, and go to extra, and here you can see wrapper. Here you can see background. We have a soft background, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to set that background color here. Here you can see background color. Just click on it, and here we are going to enter the hex code of our color. The color code is FC F3C. Here it is. Okay, the background color is set. Up and running. We don't need any other things. And with the free version, you can add custom CSS. Amazing. Okay, so hit save, and now we have our container. What we can do, we are going to add our content like text. Okay, so to add a heading, we have what should we say, heading widgets or heading block. So here you can see advanced heading. You don't need to search it, just drag and drop here. Okay, here you can see advanced heading. On the right, here you will see 3 tabs: basic, style, and extra. Okay, I'm going to select preset on, and I'm going to allow subheading. And here you can see heading. We need to add heading content here. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to copy and paste. I'm going to select the guy first, Control V or Command V, and paste. Okay, and I'm going to take this guy, cleaning made simple. Okay, I'm going to manually type it. Go to subheading, select here, cleaning made simple. Okay, well friends, I want to add the content first, then I like to style. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's style at a time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get back to here. I have, okay, just select this block. Here you can see advanced heading, and now navigate to the style tab. Just click on it, and here you can see heading color. Okay, for all type of heading, I have used a color that is 161616. I'm going to enter the hex code here. That is 161616. Great. And go to typography. First of all, select the font family. I'm going to select Poppins. Okay, here you can see Poppins, and weight will be 700 at least. Okay, I'm going to get 800. Okay, and let's talk about the size. Okay, for the size, we are going to use 64 pixel. And line height will be 1.4 m. Okay, everything is fine here. So I'm going to click over here and click on typography, and here goes the subheading. Just click on subheading, and here you can see I'm going to set color for the subheading. Here on the subheading we have different color. Okay, so I'm going to select the color code. Okay, for the subheading I'm going to set color code. Just enter 115E4F. Okay, that's cool. Click outside and go to typography. Once again it's Poppins, and font weight will be 400, and font size will be 18 pixel. Okay, that's fine. And text transfer will be uppercase, already uppercase. So we are done with the subheading. We are done with the heading, and go to extra. Okay, we don't have any setting here on the extra for the text. That's good. So what we have this text. Okay, now we are going to add this text area. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for advanced paragraph. Here you can see advanced paragraph. Just drag and drop here, and I'm going to Control V to paste the text here. Here you can see. Okay, let's click the text, and everything is fine. Under basic, let's go to a style and change the text color for E545F. That's fine. I'm going to enter the color code. Go to typography. Okay, under the typography, I'm going to change the font family to Poppins. Okay, and font weight 400, and size will be 16 pixel. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, what we have left here, you can see button. So what I'm going to do, here you can see advanced button. Just drag and drop the button. Okay, just select the button, and first of all, under basic we have style. Let's select style 8 and go to content, click on it, and here you can see text. I'm going to add book a call, and I'm going to add an icon, and here you can see this icon. I'm going to use call. Here it is, and the position of the icon is after. I'm going to set it before. Now let's change the color of the button. So go to a style. Okay, Here you can see color. That's the text color of the button. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to enter the color 161616. Okay. So go to typography and click here pop-ins, and the size will be 16 pixel. That's all for typography. Go to background, click here, and I'm going to add classic, and the color is okay. The yellow color code is FFC502. Okay, I did a mistake here. I have added color for text, added background color. Go to hover color, go to background, click over here. I'm going to enter the color 1616. Okay, reset the hover color. Go to normal, go to icon. Let's set the icon color is 161616. Fine. Okay, here you can see shadow background. I'm going to enter a black color or reset the shadow background. Okay, let's go to shadow background. Enter here 161616. Fine, perfect. Okay, fine. So friends, we could successfully add the content on the left side. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to see the preview, visit in a new tab, and here it is. We don't have much padding on the top, we don't have padding on the bottom, and we can also add padding between the elements. Okay, let's see how we can do that. Well friends, here you can see this icon. If you go over here, you will see the list view of the layout. Here you can see container, the main container. Here you can see the main container, and go to style. Here you can see the gap, and go to extra, go to wrapper, and go to padding. I'm going to unlink this. On the top, I'm going to add 80 pixel. On the bottom also be 80 pixel or 60 to 80 pixel, whatever it suits your style. Now I'm going to reload this page. Here you can see now we have got a plenty of padding. Perfect. Okay, whatever, if we want to add a space between here, just select the element and go to extra, and you can add padding. Just unlink it. On the top 100 pixel, on the bottom. Okay. These are the, here you can see we can add padding. So I'm going to remove this because we don't need padding. Okay, so hit save. I'm going to reload this page again. Everything is fine. Now we are going to add the image of the beautiful girl on the right side. So what we can do, I'm going to get back of this style. Click on the plus sign. And here goes advanced image. Just drag and drop on the right part. And now upload image. Just hit upload. Here you can see all the images. I will provide these images for free. Just select all of this. Okay, I'm going to select the image manually. Here it is, and hit open. Okay, here it is. Here goes the image. And under basic, we have mask. Just click on mask, and I'm going to select abstract brush 2. Here it is. And mask size is cover, and position center bottom. Mask repeat. no repeat. That's fantastic. Okay, just pretty simple. I'm going to hit save and I'm going to reload. And here it is. Okay, let's see how we can make it responsive for the mobile device. Okay, here you can see device. Just click over here. It's fine on desktop. Click on mobile. Okay, we have problems. We don't see the image. Text is here. So let's see how we can fix that. Just click over here. Select the main container. Now under basic, we have flex direction. Select this. Now we can see the image. Okay, and go to extra. And for padding, for the left, enter 20. I think 20 pixel is great. And for the right, enter 20. Okay, so it's perfect. It looks great on mobile phone. I'm going to hit save. Let's click the tablet. Here it is. Just I'm going to enter padding on the left, 40 pixel. Enter padding for right and click here, the advanced heading. Go to settings, go to style. For heading, go to typography, select the font size to 36 pixel. Here you can see. So it looks now perfect on mobile screen, on tablet screen. Okay, I did a mistake. I should have minimized or decreased the font size for the mobiles. It's already did. Okay, everything is fine. Let's click on desktop. I'm going to hit save. Let's preview this. Okay, it's absolutely beautiful. So friends, we could design the hero section of our website. That's fine. Congratulations. So friends, if this is the first time to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Okay, that's all about the hero section. Let's see how we can design this about us section. Well friends, now let's design this about us section. Okay, so to design a section, first of all, we need a container. Just click container. And we are going to create a 2 columns container. Here it is. Just click over here. And we need to add the padding and the background color. So just go to the right, extra. Okay, friends, just click over here. I'm going to click over here and click over here, rename about container. Or about row. Hit save. Fantastic. Now if I go over here, you can see about container. Here is a paragraph. I'm going to remove it. Okay, now we have about container. I'm going to click over here to rename hero container. Hero container. Just hit save. Okay, now we will find it easy to navigate. Okay, hero containers. So go to right and click over here, padding. I'm going to add 80 pixel on top. For bottom, 20 pixel. Okay, that's fine. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add content. First of all, I'm going to add this text. So I'm going to get back to the plus sign and add advanced heading. Just drag and drop here like Elementor and enable subheading. So I'm going to add content. Most awarded cleaning company since 2000. Okay, so just scroll down here, you can see heading. I'm going to add content here, and who we are for subheading. Here goes subheading. Who we are. And let's style it. Let's just go to the style, and here you can see heading, and bottom we have subheading. Go over here and subheading, text color, add the color. I'm going to enter the code here. On 5E 4F. Okay, that's fine. And go to typography, click on here and set the font type Poppins. And 400 AB, and the font size will be 18. Okay, fine. Font size will be 18. Okay, that's fine. And let's see this one. The heading, just click over here, go to style, go to basic. Okay, just select this and go to heading. Okay, so for heading, color will be 161616, and go to typography, select the font family Poppins, and 700, and 38 will be the font size. Okay, line height 1.4 m. Okay, that's fine. Just click over here and I'm going to add advanced button. Here it is. So I'm going to click on the button, this button, copy a style, come over here and paste style. Okay, just click over here and select the style 8. Okay, and let's change the content here, about us, and let's add an icon. That's fine. Okay, we did a mistake. We forgot to add the paragraph. Okay, no problem. I'm going to get the text and come over here. After this, click over here and type para. Okay, advanced. Here you can see advanced paragraph. I'm going to paste the text. Okay, that's fine. And we did a mistake. Here you can see I'm going to select here content, and content width will be boxed. Okay, just hit save. I wanna check the preview, and here it is. Okay, so now let's add the image here on the left. Okay, so click on this plus sign and search for advanced, and here you can see advanced image. Just click on it and upload image, and here it is. Just hit open. Okay, we don't have much gap between the columns, so what I'm going to do, just click here, go to style and add 70 or 60. Okay, 60 is fine. Now we have the gap here. Hit save. Okay, that's fine. We have got our about us section. Hi everyone. Now we are going to design this section of the about us section. Okay, if I refresh this page, now you can see this animation. Okay, let's see how we can do this. Here I am, and I'm here. I'm going to click over here to see this. Here goes the about us. Here it is. Here it is. So I'm going to create another container. Just I'm going to click, drag and drop. And this time I'm going to choose this layout. And I'm going to add a counter block here. Just click on the plus sign. Okay, I don't need to click on the plus sign. Just click here. And I'm going to search for counter. ZoloBlocks comes with a counter. Okay, just drag and drop here. It's easy. If you want, you can display icon. I didn't display icon because it wasn't essential, but you can. You have the freedom to design according to your choice. Okay, let's customize it. Once it is selected, on the right under block, you see counter, and it's by ZoloBlocks. Okay, I'm going to disable the icon, and I can change the direction also, and I can change the content from here. Here it says happy clients. I want to say happy customers. Okay, and here you can see 10K. Okay, only 10. I'm going to enter K. Okay, 10K. 10K happy customers. I want to bring this guy on the same line. So I'm going to hit publish, hit save, and let's see the preview. Okay, it's here. But friends, I did a mistake. My mistake is I need to select the container. Here is the main container. Okay, I'm going to rename it. What should I name it? Stats container. Hit save. And from here, everything is fine, but I need to select boxed content with boxed. Okay, now if I save and if I refresh here, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, here you can see a gap. We don't see the gap here. Okay, no problem. Once the starts container is selected, come over the extra and unlink the padding. For top, I'm going to set 40 pixels of paddings. For bottom, You can set 80 pixels. Okay, hit save, reload this or refresh this page. Now it's fine, the padding is fine. Okay, so friends, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the color of this text and add background color. Okay, fine. So click over here. Now the counter block is selected. Go to style, click here on the background. I'm going to select solid background color. Let me enter the background color here, color code here. It is FC F3EC. Okay, that's fine. It's background. And let's come over here, number. Now I want to change the color of the number, and the color code is, okay, here it is. That's fine. And suffix color. Okay, that's fine. And now here you can see title color. I'm going to enter the title color here. That will be on 6 on 6 on 6, first class. And you can customize the typography. Okay, everything you can manage from here. Now you know how it works. So hit save. I'm going to refresh this page. Now it's fine. So friends, what I'm going to do, just click over here and click copy. I'm going to click over here. I'm going to click duplicate. Okay, now it is duplicated. And click over here, drag. Okay, let me drag and drop it. Okay, wait. Click over here. Okay, I'm going to remove this guy. Okay, fine. Again, click over here. I'm going to bring this guy container, and I'm going to remove the icon. And the next content, click over here. The text will be 200 or 20K. Project done. Projects. Okay, now I'm trying to do something. Just click over here, copy a style. I'm going to click here. I'm going to paste the style. Okay, at least it works. Now click over here. I'm going to bring the container again, disable this guy, and go to the content. I'm going to 25 plus. Now right here, years of experience. No op. We don't need the op. Click over here, copy. Click over here, paste the style. Now again, click over here, create theme, hide the icon, go to content, 100 plus team members. Fantastic. Click over here, copy the style, click over here, paste the style. I'm going to hit save. Come over here, hit refresh. Now it looks fine. Okay, friends, it looks great on the desktop. How does it look on the mobile phone? Okay, so click over here. Let's see mobile phone. Okay. So here we are. Come on the about container. Click over here, about container, and you will see Plex properties. Just change the direction. Now we have it. Okay, and go to extra, go to padding. You can set 20 pixel on the left, 20 pixel on the right. Now if you want, you can decrease the font size of the about us here, font size, and remove the margin. Okay, I'm going to click over here, go to extra, set the margin 0. Okay, nothing changed. Okay, let's go to padding, set 0. Okay, come over here, this container, and go to extra, set padding 0, set margin 0. Okay, a bit solved. Okay, I'm going to add minus padding here. Click over here on the top. I'm going to try minus padding of 20. No, on top. It will be on top, not my. Okay, my mistake. Okay, that's good. Hit save and go to start container. Here it is. And go to basic, and here goes the Plex properties. Click over here. Now it shows one by one. Fine. Okay, I'm going to save it. Let's see the preview. Okay, finally I'll show you the preview on the mobile screen. Okay, no problem. By this time it's good. I'm going to get back to the desktop view again. Okay, that's all about the about us section. Okay, hit save. Hi everyone. Now let's see how we can design this beautiful services section using Gutenberg and ZoloBlocks. Let's get back. Okay friends, let's explain. Here we have this content in a container, and we will take another container for this services section or services block. Okay, let's see how I do that. Here we are on the about us section, and it looks great on here. And again, I'm going to get back here on the plus sign, and I'm going to add a container. And this time I'm going to create or set a single column container. Click on it. Okay, now here we got the blocks from ZoloBlocks. These are advanced heading. Already I have worked with it and you know it. Just hold it, drag and drop here. And you can see on the right, advanced heading. Okay. And here you can see under basic, the preset is preset on, and I'm going to bring it on the center. But before I do that, I need to go back here, and here is the container. Pardon me, I should have done it earlier. Rename it to services container. Okay, and from here I'm going to set content with boxed, and from here I'm going to set content with boxed. Okay, now it is center. Okay, again go to the plus sign, and here you can see advanced paragraph. Here you can see, but if you don't see here, you can search here advanced and you will find here advanced paragraph. Just hold it, drag and drop. Okay, now enter your text. Okay, friends, I forgot to. Okay, here you can see I'm going to paste here. Okay, let me rename this heading. Just click over here and I'm going to change it services we offer. Okay, now here we see we need to just minimize the width of this text. So what we can do, here we have a technique. Just click over here, select this text, go to write extra under advanced paragraph, and here you can see width, set it to custom, and here you can see pixel. Just click on it and set percentage and enter 50%. Okay, and get back to the basic and select center. Fantastic. Now we have got our title, services we offer. We have got our paragraph text. And friends, if you have any issue with the padding, just select the blog and go to extra. And from here, just unlink the padding and you can manage the padding. I'm going to set 0. I'm going to set 0 to the bottom. And for margin, just to bottom set 0. Okay, now we have got this. Okay, hit save. Now it's our time to create these blocks. Okay, residential cleaning, office cleaning, window cleaning, kitchen cleaning, etc. Okay, so come over here again, go to the plus sign. Click on the container. I'm going to drag and drop here on the container, and again I'm going to choose what should I say, on column container. Just click over here, and here is the container. Just select the container and set the container with boxed. Here you can see container is selected. It is boxed now. Okay, now what we are going to do, again search advanced, and here you can see advanced icon box. Just drag and drop here. Okay, fantastic. Well friends, first of all you can see the width of this block is too high. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get to the extra again, and here you can see width, click on it, see custom, and here select percentage, and we want to add four sections. So if I divide 100 by 4, then we get 25. So the width will be 25 because we are going to add 3 more boxes. Okay, so just click over here, and now go to basic, and style 1 is selected. What about style 2? What about style 3? Okay, here it is, style 3. Now let's scroll down and see content. Click over here and replace this image. I'm going to upload images. Where is that image? I'm going to select this image and open it. No, this one, sorry. Select this image and hit open, hit select. Here it is. And now I'm going to change the text. It will be residential cleaning, backspace. I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. residential cleaning, and copy the text. Here goes the text. I'm going to replace the text, and here goes the button, and the button text is read more. You can enter the URL here. Okay, fine. Let's go to style. Well friends, let's get to style. Here you can see first of all item. You can add background color also. Say for here, you can enter background color. Here you can see background color. I don't need background color, so I'm going to click reset. You can add padding. Let's see image. Well friends, you can set the image size here. You can add border radius. Everything is automatic, but you can customize the design. I'm going to scroll down. Here goes the title. You can change the title color. I'm going to set 161616. Hit enter. Okay, go to the typography. You can change font family from here. Poppins. Okay, and font size will be 28 pixel. Let's see 26, 24. Let's see 20. It's up to you. You can change anytime. Okay, let's see button. Here we are. First of all, change the background color. Our color code is FFC502. Here it is. Here is the padding. Just unlink it. For button, top 8 pixel, bottom 8 pixel, on the right 16 pixel, minimum 16 pixel, on the left 16 pixel. And here you can see border radius. I'm going to enter 8 pixel border radius, first class. And border, if you want to add border, you can add solid on pixel border. That will be great. Okay, it's almost done. So what we can do, just click over here and you will find this option. Just click over here, click duplicate. Now you can see it goes on the bottom. So again, come over here and select the container. Select the main container, and under basic, you will find flex properties. Just click on flex properties. Now change the direction. Here it is. So again, click over here. Just go over here and hit duplicate. Again, click over here and hit duplicate. Now we have got 4 services boxes. Just hit save. Now I'm going to reload this page. Here we are. We have got services. Okay, now it's my time to add padding here and change the text and image. So let's see. Here goes office cleaning. I'm going to copy it. Go over here. Just select this guy and go to basic, and under heading, here you can see residential cleaning. I'm going to type or paste office cleaning, and here goes the image. Just click over here, select file, select this image, hit open, select. Now the text box is changed. Okay, in the same way you can change the text, you can change the button text, everything. Okay, now I'm going to add padding here. Just click here and go to extra, go to padding. On the top, I'm going to add 80 pixel. On the bottom, there should be 40 pixel. Okay, for this container. And again, friends, we have a background color here. you can see a background color. So what is the background color code? Well friends, we have got our background color code. So under extra, I'm going to minimize, and here you can see background. Just click over here, and here enter the background color code. Yeah, here is the color code. I'm going to copy this code. And again, select this container also. And go to extra. And we need to add padding on the bottom. So go over here, add padding bottom 80 pixel. And here goes background color. I'm going to paste the color code here. Okay, that's fine. Click save. I'm going to reload this page and scroll down. Here it is. Okay, let's make it responsive. Okay, here you can see desktop. Just click over here. Now click mobile. Okay. Just scroll down. Here you can see the problem is here. So click on container. Go to basic. Here is the flex direction. Okay. Here is the flex direction, and we have something to do. Click on extra. Go to wrapper. Here you can see. Okay, click this guy. And go to extra. Here you can see width. Click over here. Go to cast. Okay, select full width. Here it is. Now click over there and go to extra, full width. Click over here, go to extra, full width. Click over here, go to extra, and width will be full width. That's fine. Okay, click over here, go to extra, width will be full width. That's great. Hit save. Now it's responsive. You can add some padding also. Just click on this container, go to extra. For padding, left 20 pixel, on the right 20 pixel, padding right 20 pixel. Okay. Let's hit save and click over here and get back to desktop. Okay, it's fine. So we could finally add our services section. Now let's design this section. Why shows us this section? Okay, let's get back. Here we are, and as per usual, we need a container. Just click over here, and here you can choose container layout, and I'm going to select these two columns container layout. Okay, fine. And we have white background. So let's get back, and when the container block is selected, go to extra, and here you can see padding. Well friends, I'm going to add 80 pixel padding for the bottom, and for the top also 80 pixel, and I'm going to get to background, and I'm going to add background color. By default, white color is selected, so I don't need to add color, just hit save. Okay, here you can see we have got an image on the left and text on the right. So here I'm going to just select this block advanced image, just hold it, drag and drop, and I'm going to upload the image. Here it is. Why choose us? Hit open. Fantastic. And friends, and click over here, click on the container. I always forget to rename it. Just click rename. Why shows us and click save. Okay, fine. Now on the right, okay, now while this container is selected, click on basic or click on style. I'm going to add 60 pixel as the column gap. That's fine. Hit save. Now it's our time to add text on the right. First of all, why choose us? Okay, so click on the plus sign. Okay, click over this plus sign. Advanced heading. Just hold it, drag and drop. And subheading, click here, why choose us, and come over here, copy it, click copy. Okay, here you can see heading, just click over here, command V. Okay, fine. So we have added this. Now we are going to style it. Just click over here on the style, and here goes heading. First of all, click on color. I'm going to enter our color for heading. It is 161616. Okay, fine. Now go to typography. Click here. Select the font family Poppins. Font weight will be 700. Font size 36. Okay. So that's all about heading. Okay, let's scroll up. We are going to use this color. Okay, now it's time for subheading. Just click over here. Here goes subheading. Go to color. I'm going to enter color code for the TL color. It is on 5E4F. And click on typography. Select font family Poppins. And font weight will be 400. Okay, that's fine. And text transform uppercase. Why choose us? Okay, make it 500. And that's great. Now we are going to add this text. I'm going to copy it. Come over here. You can see advanced paragraph. Just hold it. Drag and drop here. I'm going to enter my text. It's fine. Then what? Then this section, advanced icon, professional and experienced team. Click over here. Here you can see advanced icon box. Just hold it, drag and drop. Here it is. So go to content. The title text will be professional and experienced team. Then we have some text. Our skilled cleaners. Okay, we don't need this read more. So go to basic, under general. We can see button text. Okay, now let's select the style. Just click over here. Select style 2. Go to content. Here you can see icon. Just click over here. I'm just going to select team. Here goes the team. Now go to style. And here goes the icon. Okay, icon color. Just click over here. You can try the TL color or you can try this orange color. Okay, let's add the TL color. The code is double on 5E4F. Okay, I want to change the color to yellow. Okay, here goes the color code. Okay, here goes the color code. Okay. Sorry, no duplicate now. Delete karo. Delete karo. Delete karo. Okay, now I'm going to click over here and go to extra, unlink here. I'm going to padding to 0 and top to 0. Okay, click over here. Padding. Margin should be 0 too. Okay. I'm going to hit save. Let's see the preview. Okay, we did a mistake. Let's get back. Select the container. Go to basic. Content width will be boxed. Now hit save. I'm going to reload this guy. Now here it is. Okay. Now click on this. Click on basic. Click content. Go to general. Go to extra. Okay, I'm going to add. Okay, go to item. Let's add padding here. Bottom 0. Top 0. Okay, top 10 pixel. Okay, I'm going to add margin 0. Okay, set 0 for bottom. Okay, now I'm going to add the background color. Okay, what I'm going to do, just go over here. I'm going to click over here and go to extra, and here we can see background color. Just enter the background color, and the color code is FC F3EC. Here is the background color. I'm going to hit save. Well friends, background color is not working. I'm going to Control Z. Okay, I'm going to add this color. Okay. Go to basic, layout style 2, direction this. Go to style, add the background color. Click over here and click over here. I'm going to enter the background color code here. That is FC F3EC. Wow, perfect. I'm going to copy this color code. Go to extra, add the color codes. Same color code here also. Fine. So what I'm going to do, we have got this, and now click over here, hit duplicate, Okay, now hit save. I'm going to open it in a new tab, and here it is. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the icon and text. Just copy this text, click over here, go to basic, change the icon from here, lab. Here it is. Change the header content from here. Okay, again click over here, copy it, just click over here, go to content, Control V, click over here, money. Where is the money? Here it is. I'm going to hit save. It's our time to refresh this. Wow, wow, wow. So it's super easy. We could design why choose us section. Hi everyone, let's start designing this section, our professional expert team. Okay, here it is. I'm going to get back. Okay, let's get back. Here I am. I'm going to add the section here. So click over here, and as per usual, and here it is, I'm going to add the container here. So click on the plus sign. I'm going to click container, and this time I'm going to choose single column container. And once it is selected, on the right here you can see under basic content width, just select box. Okay, friends, we have added padding to each section. So once you create the container, go to extra and unlink padding, and you will get the option to add padding top, that will be 80 pixel, and you can add padding bottom, that will be 80 pixel. Okay, and we have a background here. Let's add the background color. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Here you can see background. Just click over here and select the background color. I'm going to enter the color here. It is E4 and triple F. Here it is. So we have got our container. We have added padding. So now we are going to add the text. I'm going to get this text. Okay, and here I'm going to take this block, advanced heading, just drag and drop. Okay, Control V. I'm going to paste. I have pasted the text, and here you can see alignment. Just click over here, and it is center now. Now it's our time to add this text. Just click over here, just copy. Now come over here and you can see advanced paragraph. Just hold it, drag and drop. Okay, fantastic. And enter the text here. I'm going to Command V, and text is here. I'm going to bring this guy center. Okay, now here you can see it is here wrapped. Okay, so what you will have to do, just you will have to minimize or decrease the width. So select this and go to extra. Remember, it is advanced paragraph, and from here you can see the width. Just click over here and select custom, and the pixel is selected. Just click over here, select percentage and select 50%. Okay, now it is here. Looks great. Okay, you can just minimize or decrease the padding over here. So what you will have to do, just go to extra, and here you can see wrap. Go over here, minimize the margin. Okay, click over here, go extra, remove margin. Okay, remove padding. Okay, so that's all. Now it's our time to add the theme grid. Okay, I'm going to search for theme. Okay, just hold it and paste here. I mean, drop here. Here it is. Here it is. Team Grid. Perfect. Now add new member. And that member is here, but we have 4 members in the single row. So what I'm going to do, just select the team grid. I'm going to minimize this. Select the team grid is selected, and whatever, go to extra, go to padding, style, content. Okay, go to basic. You can see names. Well friends, just come over here and select the container. Here you will see team grid, just click on it, and on the right here you will see team grid, and from here you can choose the style. We have several style. Okay, for free we have 3 style. I'm going to select the number 1, and here you can see go to grid, and how many columns do you want? I want 4 columns. Just click over here. Now you can see your team members. Okay, fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to a style. Let's see we have anything. Here you can see background. I'm going to add background. Just go to background color. I'm going to enter the color code here. Okay, here it is. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I have added this background color. If you want, you can also add. Now, let's see how I can change the text image of each team member. I'm just going to click over here, and here you can see replace. It is team child, and it was team grid. You will have to understand. If you want to edit the child, just click over here. Click over here, and now this child is selected, and replace the image. Upload file, team on. Okay, the team members image is selected, uploaded. Here you can change the name. I'm going to name it to Nancy. Nancy Garrett. Okay. And you can change the designation. It can be office cleaner. Okay, it is office cleaner. Now, if you want, you can change the short bio here. Just replace the text and enter text from here. Command V. Okay, and social profile, it's easy. Change from here. Details space from here. Okay, I'm going to navigate to a style, and here you can see background color. Just change the background color from here. Okay, reset the background color. And in the same way, you can change details of each of the team members. I'm going to change the image for this guy. Click over here, replace, click select, come over here, replace. So it's super easy. Now we have got our team members section done. Thank you. Hit save. Now click view page, open in a new tab. Scroll down. Here goes our team members. Okay, fine. Let's make it responsive. Just click over here. Go to mobile. Okay, it looks bad now. Okay, good now. Okay. Team members looks great. Now this why choose us section. Okay, I'm going to click this section, why choose us, and and from the flex properties, check this direction. Now it works fine, and hit save. I need to increase the width of this text. Just click over here, go to extra and go to width and select full width. Okay, fine. Hit save and get back to desktop. It looks perfect. So friends, now we could create or design the team members section. Hit save. Well friends, now let's design this section, testimonial, what our clients say. Okay, here I am. Click over here and go to plus sign. I'm going to bring a container. Okay, one column container. And what I'm going to do, select the container and again under basic, content width will be boxed, and go to extra, click over here, add padding top 80 pixel, add padding bottom 80 pixel, and here you can see this section has a different background color. I'm going to enter the color, just click over here and under background, let's select the color. Okay, I'm going to enter the color code here. It is FC3. Okay, FCF, then 3 EC. Okay, that's great. Now I'm going to copy this text and come over here, advanced heading, copy the text here, align it center. Now bring advanced paragraph and I'm going to bring it center. Go to extra and from the width I'm going to select custom, select percentage, select 50%. Okay, now I'm going to get another container, just drag it and drop here, and it will be one column container. Go to basic, content width boxed. Now click over here on the plus sign. Okay, not necessary, just click over here and here I'm going to search for testimonial. Okay, here you can see review carousel. Here it is, just hold it, drag and drop. And here it is, everything is built in, and okay, everything is built in. So once this review carousel is selected, just go to right and here you can see preset on. I like this one. You can also choose preset 2, preset 3. Okay, I like the first one. Here it is. Okay, so now what you can do, here you can see carousel option and how many columns, column 3, and effect is slide or overflow. Okay, I like slide. You can enter column gap here. Okay, I liked autoplay. replace now. Okay, go to style. You can enter background color, but this background color and this background color is great. Okay, and go to photos. You can style the photos. Okay, so click over here. Now click over here and click over here. Now we have the review child. Just select this guy, and what I'm going to do, just keep patience. We have selected the review child, and here you can see under blog, this is review child, and the first thing we can do is change the or replace the photo. Just click over here. I'm going to select this guy, hit select, and object fit cover name. And what's the name of this guy? Imran. Okay, and you can change the message from here. Rating, this guy is going to enter rating 4. Okay, you can, everything is possible here. And go to style. You can add background color, but as I said earlier, this background color is great. Okay, you can style the photo, a lot of other things. Okay, so I'm going to select another guy, and I'm going to replace the photo with this girl, and I'm going to change her name to Nancy. Okay, again click to other guy, this one, and okay, click this guy. Okay, here it is, this one, and replace the photo. What about this one? Okay, come over here, click this guy, replace the image. Click over here, replace the image. It's pretty easy, friends. That's why I'm skipping. I'm not going to make the videos too much longer. Already it has been 2 hours. Okay, I know you can change the text, you can do everything. It's fantastic section. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to reload this page. Here it is. Just click over here. Everything looks great. So very quickly we could create the testimonial section. Hi everyone. Now let's create this our latest news, blog section. Okay, so let's get back here. Well friends, before I create any content, let's get back to the dashboard, and here you can see post. If I click all post, here you see I have 4 blog posts. Okay, so I'm going to just display these posts here. I'm just going to display these blog posts here. Okay, I'm going to click on container. Okay, I'm going to click on this plus sign, and I'm going to just drag and drop the container on column container. Here under container you can see content which will be boxed, and go to extra, and here you can see padding. I'm going to enter 80 pixel for top and 80 pixel for bottom. Okay, Now I'm going to click on this plus sign and I'm going to click advanced heading, and here you can see our latest news. Click over here. I'm going to enter the news title here and bring it this center. Okay, I'm going to copy this text. I'm going to search for, here it is, advanced paragraph. Just drag and drop. Enter the text here. Bring it center. I'm going to click on extra, width, custom width, select pixel, select 50%. Okay, fine. Now here I'm going to display these blog posts. Okay, I'm going to search for post, and here you can see post carousel, post category, post comment form, lot of things. I'm going to select this one, post grid. Just hold it, drag and drop. Okay, so I'm going to click over here and you can see post grid. Just click on it, and under post grid you can see grid. Just click on it, and how many posts do you want to show? I'm going to select 4, and now all the 4 blog posts are one by one. Now you can do a lot of things. Go to general, you can choose a style. Okay, you can choose style, different style. Here it is. It also looks great. Okay, what about style 3? Okay, what about 2? It's amazing. I'm going to click grid and select 4. Okay, fine. So go to a style. Now you can add background color. You can do a lot of things with this ZoloBlocks plugin. Just hit save, and officially I'm done with this page. I'm going to hit reload, and here it is. So friends, we have just designed the home page, and now we are going to create a menu, and then we will start editing the header. Okay friends, now let's create a header section like this. We will add logo, we will add menu items, social media icons. Okay, let's see how we can do that. Now it is here. Okay, let's go back and go to appearance. Under appearance, you will see menu. Just click on menus. And we don't have any menu right now. I'm going to enter the name. It is main menu. Okay, it is main menu, and hit create menu. Okay, now I'm going to add pages. I'm going to select all the pages and hit add to menu, and I'm going to hit save menu and manage. Go to manage location, and here goes the primary location. Just select it, hit main menu, select main menu, hit save changes. Now I'm going to reload this page again. And go to home, and here it is. Okay, now let's see. Okay, let's get back to edit menu. Here we have home in 2 times. I'm going to bring it here, remove this guy, hit save, Okay, now hit reload. Here it is. Okay, let's add the logo. Okay, I'm going to get back to the customizer. Here you can see customize. Click on customize. Okay, I need to save this first. Okay, I'm going to go over here, and here you can see customize. Click customize. And here you can see header. Just click on header, and here goes logo. Click select logo, select it, open, hit select, skip cropping, and here you can see our logo, but we have text. I don't like the text. So what you can do, here you can see logo and title. I'm just going to select only logo. Now it's great. Hit publish. And friends, here you can see primary navigation. Just hold it, drag and drop here. And now it's on the middle. And I'm going to add something here. Just click the plus sign, and I'm going to select what? I'm going to select social. Okay, now social, but I need to, okay, drag and drop here. Okay, here it is. And click on this gear icon, and from here you can change the link of your social media handle. Okay, just hit publish. I'm going to reload this page. Okay, it's fine now. We have added logo. Okay, now if I go to the main page of our website, I see blog post, not the home page. So what I can do, just get to settings and click general and click reading. And here it is, your latest post. Your homepage display is your latest post. I'm just going to click over here and select home. Now I'm going to hit save changes. And now if I reload this page, now you see, now it shows our main page. Fantastic. Okay.